Hello everyone and welcome to IAM Food Life. Myself Chef John, and as for we was doing some Middle East cuisines last week, so let's try something different, and this is called Indo-Chinese. So Indo-Chinese means what? You will get a flavor of Indian plus something of Asian. So the thing, the whatever the ingredients is available at your house, you can make with that. It's very simple recipes. So for that you need little butter. We will butter and garlic. We will make some garlic fried rice with after that some chilies, green chilies. This is a homemade chili sauce, chili paste, vinegar, oil to fry, soya sauce, eggs already beaten, corn flour or cornstarch, and this is the pork already stripped, cut into, okay, and some, you see, curry leaves. Curry leaves gives a very natural flavor of south. So as I told you, it's Indo-Chinese, something different and fusions. So you can try at home. Definitely it will be giving you a very good taste. So I have some capsicum also and onion. So let's start it to make it. How to do it? Okay, so we will marinate the pork. Okay, just put little bit of egg, some cornstarch, and chili powder. So you see something different, it's called Indo-Chinese. So we'll just mix it nicely. You can marinate also before like 2 to 3 hours and keep it, but even though you can marinate half an hour also. So we marinate and keep it for to give rest for like 10 minutes. By the time we will prepare the sauce. Okay. So we need some garlic. So chop the garlic. Normally garlic really gives you a very good flavor to the fruits. गार्लिक का खुशबू अच्छा लगता है, गार्लिक खाने के लिए भी अच्छा है. ये चॉप गार्लिक हो गया है. We will take some chili. So remember, it's a chili pork, but normally if you don't want spices, you don't add chili. But pork खाने में मज़ा है अगर स्पाइसी हो तो. Okay, ये हो गया, आपका चिली हो गया. ऑनियन को हम लोग we will cut like this lengthwise. Normally लॉकडाउन, मोस्टली वी आर इन लॉकडाउन, सो घर में जो मिलता है बेसिकली ये आपको सब सामान घर में मिलेगा. कैप्सिकम को भी हम लोग लेंथ वाइज काट लेंगे. Remove all the seeds, don't keep any seeds. So you have capsicum, you have garlic. You will see the flavor, natural flavor will come out when you cook the items. Okay, so let's start. The pork is well enough, so we will fry the pork strip. Put the oil to fry. So oil is already hot, so we will fry the pork now. So remember, I didn't add any salt to this marinations. Okay, so don't add salt, क्योंकि जब हम लोग सॉस बनाएंगे, सॉस इज बेसिकली सोया सॉस जाएगा तो सोया सॉस में सॉल्ट रहता है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग सॉल्ट ऐड नहीं किया, नहीं तो क्या होगा, सॉल्टी हो जाएगा ज़्यादा. So sorry that my host is not here again. लॉकडाउन में फंस गया है, खाने को भी नहीं मिल रहा. तो ये फ्राई हो रहा है, लेट इट फ्राई. तो हम लोग उसको उठा के रखेंगे. This is very simple and easy recipes. Okay, and you can make a good Chinese food. Okay, and like a restaurant style, like how you get in the restaurants. So when you cook with your heart, definitely the product will come excellent. अगर आप ऐसा खाना घर में बनाएं तो आपको ज़ोमैटो और स्विगी का ज़रूरत नहीं है. See the pork now, it is getting the reason if you cut the pork into thin slice, वो जल्दी पक जाता है. It cook very easy. Normally chunks pork takes time, so you have to cut very thinly. So ये बहुत जल्दी पक जाता है. And जैसा मैं बोला, if you marinate overnight and keep, वो और भी अच्छा होगा. But you can marinate like for 10 minutes, 15 minutes also. Not bad. You can do with chicken also. You cut the chicken into strips. You can do with the chicken. So the pork is almost done. Another 2 minutes and then we will remove the pork. So once we remove the pork, the sauce will take not even 3 to 4 minutes to make. Because Chinese food is what? The vegetable has to be crunchy when you eat. It is not like Indian cuisines when the vegetable or everything has to be mashed. Chinese means it has to be crunchy. When you eat in your mouth, as Kankana knows, tuk tuk sound will come. But she's not here and missing my foods. The pork is already done. See, it has to be brown, like brown in color. We have a sir, Mr. Sina, he loves my food. Whenever I do some food, I just message, and he really misses my food. Because he is the one who's like very much a food lover. whenever I cook food, I just text him. So today also Mr. Sinha sir is missing, but definitely I call him to taste some food. He will come. So now we will prepare the sauce. Okay. Remember the oil. Okay, this oil don't throw it. We will cook with this oil because already this oil have the fats of the pork, so you have the flavor. So flavor is there. So we put little bit of oil. In the simple, what we say that we should never waste anything in the kitchen. So we not waste. So oil is here. So you see the oil already jumping. Now we'll add some garlic and chili here. Whenever you put garlic and chili, you will get a very good aromas. So we will put the onion now and the capsicum. So as I told you in Chinese that it has to be whenever you had food you eat, it should be crunchy. And we are making something Indo-Chinese. So why don't we add some of these curry leaves? Do you think it will be a good one? Let's try it. As we do some fusions, we add a little bit of curry leaves. And definitely, you will get a nice aromas of curry leaves and soya sauce, whatever the ingredients we put. So it is coming like India Chinese, so Indo-Chinese. Now when you put the chili, you have a garlic. I'm getting sneeze because of the chili flavor is coming. But if the kids want to eat, definitely they can eat. But think you don't add any chilies to that. Then the kids cannot eat. Teaspoon of vinegar and chili we will put little bit, not too much, just 1 teaspoon chili. And we put just 2 spoons of soya sauce. Now you see this is, so what we will do, we will add corn flour to it. Normally cornstarch, it is you just dissolve in water and you add in the end, but we will add now. This is a different style. So we add the cornstarch now and then we'll add the water. We'll add the water. So you can see when you add cornstarch and water, it's automatically getting thick. Okay, we add the the pork. So remember, I didn't add any salt to it, okay? Because normally the salt is in the soya sauce. So here your chili pork is ready. Okay, so we will make little bit of some garlic rice with that. So garlic rice and chili pork will are very good combinations. So we will make some garlic rice. So for garlic rice, we'll add little bit of we can add the same oil, the pork oil. What do you think? It will give a very nice flavor. Like normally अगर हम लोग स्टॉक यूज करते हैं तो स्टॉक का बदले में तेल यूज कर रहे हैं. एंड हम लोग थोड़ा बटर ऐड करेंगे. Remember, you don't put only butter. You will chance of getting burn. Garlic add किया, we'll add the garlic. And we have a different rice is called jasmine rice. Jasmine rice normally you can get it here, and it is mostly Asian people eat jasmine rice. So as I told you, it's kind of Indo-Chinese. So jasmine rice with pork, Indian, Chinese, Asian, and jasmine rice is a little bit sticky rice. It's very good for your health. So we put the garlic. You see almost is. So we'll add the rice. We switch it off, that's it, and we just toast the rice. So don't cook. We will not cook the rice, means already cooked. So we just toast the garlic. So once you eat, you will feel a garlic and so let the rice be here for 1 minute, and you know what? Make one fried egg. The egg lovers. So now everything is ready. We will make a fried egg for the garnish. So I put ring. Why we put ring? So you get a proper round shape. See the eggs nicely beaten here, and we'll just add slowly to the pan. So once you fry, you get a very good round shape. So it's time for plating. And as I told you, we do some Indo-Chinese. Look at these banana leaves. So we just make a nice shape of the rice. Shape here. See, now you simply remove and you get a very good round shape. So we cover the rice. And what we do, as we say, some Indian church, we'll add little bit of cumin powder. Okay, cumin powder we can add little bit on top. So here is your garlic rice, is stir fry or chili pork is ready. So I hope you have enjoyed the 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 simple and homemade recipes. So you can try at home. Definitely it will come very good taste, and the flavor you can change if you want spicy, more spicy, medium size spicy. So till then, see you for my next episodes in I Aim Food Life. Stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. And have a great day. Bye bye.